Good evening, students. I am teaching first year intermediate relations. Okay, relations means what? Here, the subset of Cartesian product of a set is called relation. The subset of Cartesian product of a set is called relation. Subset and then if A and B are two non-empty sets, the set of elements of all is in set of elements of B. Then A is a subset of B. For example, natural numbers and whole numbers. Okay, natural numbers and whole numbers both are non-empty sets. Then all the natural numbers are in whole numbers. So therefore, the natural number is a subset of whole numbers. Okay, so here the subset of A cross B, okay, of a set is called relation from A to B. From A to B. Okay, a subset of A cross B of a set is called relation from A to B. Okay, so for example, let us take A and B are two non-empty sets. A is 1, 2, 3. B is A, B. B is A, B. So then A cross B. Then A cross B. What you can get the A cross B and the Cartesian product of A and B. That means the forming order pairs of a set is called Cartesian product. Order pairs of the order pairs are formed. The first element is belongs to A and the second component is belongs to B set. That is called order pair. Okay, so now here 1A, 1B, next 2A, 2B, next 3A, 3B. Okay, this is the Cartesian product. This is the Cartesian product. Let us take here. Okay, F is a one set. We can take it from F is a one set. It is a subset of A cross B. Okay, so that is I take as 1 comma A, 2 comma B, next 3 comma A, 3 comma A. So this set is a subset of A cross B. So therefore F is a relation from A to B. Okay, no? So therefore F is relation from A to B. So what is called relation now? If A and B are two non-empty sets, then the subset of A cross B of a set is called relation from A to B. So for example, A is 1, 2, 3, B is A comma B. Then find the A cross B. We can get the order pairs. In this order pairs of a set, in this Cartesian product of set, we take subset. So that is 1A, 2B, 3A. So therefore F is a relation from A to B. So for example, G is a one set. So that is here 1B, 2A, next 3B. Okay, so 1A, 1 comma B is a subset of A cross B, 2 comma A is a subset of A cross B, 3 comma B order pair is a subset of A cross B. So therefore G is a relation from A to B. Okay, now so types of relations. Relations are dividing into four types. So what are they? Reflexive relation, next symmetric relation, next anti-symmetric relation, next equivalent. Next one is transitivity relation. Reflexive relation means the order pairs A comma A is belongs to R. That means here A related to A. Next, symmetric relation means here A related to B and B related to R, B related to R, A related to B and B related to B is relation with A, then A is equal to B, then A is equal to B. Okay, next anti-symmetric relation. Anti-symmetric relation. Okay. Anti-symmetric relation means A related to B, B related to R, then A is equal to B. Transitive relation means a relation is become reflexive, symmetric, anti-symmetric. A relation is become reflexive, symmetric, anti-symmetric. That relation is called transitive relation. Transitive relation. Okay. So next one, functions. Next topic is function. So function is nothing but relation. Function is nothing but relation. Relation and the subset of Cartesian product of A and B. Okay. So if you take any two non-empty sets, from these two non-empty sets you can form the order pairs. The order pairs is put in one set. That is called Cartesian product. In this Cartesian product of a set, you can take some order pairs. Okay. That is called subset. The subset of Cartesian product of set is called relation. Okay. So here function means let A and B are two non-empty sets, if they exist, A belongs to A, small a is belongs to A. If there exist, A belongs to A, small a is belongs to A. Okay. It's such that unique element B belongs to B, small b is belongs to B. Okay, that small b is belongs to B. Then the order pair A comma B is belongs to F. Okay, the order pair A comma B is belongs to F. That means here, that is F is function from A to B, or F is mapping from A to B. Okay, ma, is called function from A to B. Okay, ma. So let A comma B are two non-empty sets. Here, what is the function and ma? A and B are two non-empty sets. The set of elements of A. For example, here it is a set A, it is a set B. Okay, the set of elements of A is mapping with set of elements of B. Okay, that mapping is called relation. Okay, here 1, 2, 3. Here A, B, C. Here 1 is mapping with A, 2 is mapping with B, 3 is mapping with A, 2 is mapping with C. Okay, so it is called what more? Function. The set of elements of A is mapping with set of elements of B is called function from A to B. Okay, here in this function, the set of elements of A is called domain. The set of elements of B are called codomain. So the set of elements are which elements are mapping with set of elements of B. Okay, that mapping elements is called range. That mapping element is called what ma? Range. Okay, here what are the range here? A, B, C. Why? 1 is mapping with A, 2 is mapping with A, 2 is mapping with 2 is mapping with B. Okay. 2 is mapping with B. 2 is mapping with C. 3 is mapping with A. Okay. A, B, C are called range. Okay, now domain means what? The set of elements of A is called domain. The set of elements of B are called codomain. So range means which elements are mapping from set of elements A are called range. Here which elements are mapping here? A, B, C. Okay, so for example, here 1, 2, 3. Here X, Y, Z, M. Here one is mapping X, X, X. Okay, here what is the domain? Here what is the domain? 1, 2, 3 domain. Codomain is what? X, Y, Z, A. What is called range here? Which elements are mapping? X, Y, Z. Mapping with elements 1, 2, 3. So these X, Y, Z are called what? Range. Okay, so the range is, what is the relation between range and codomain? The set of elements of B is called what? No, codomain. Okay, in this set of elements of B, which elements are mapping X, Y, Z with 1, 2, 3. So these X, Y, Z are called what? Range. So the range is subset of codomain. The range is subset of codomain. Okay, no? Image, free image. Okay, image and demo. If A and B are non-empty sets, F is a function from A to B. A belongs to small a belongs to capital A. Small b belongs to capital B. Then f of A is equal to B. F of small a is equal to small b. That means what? A is image of function with B. And that means what is the meaning here? A image what my here? B. With the mapping F. Okay. Then reverse ఎలా చెప్తాం? B is free image of A. ప్రతిబింబం. So here that A and B are two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets. F from A to B is a function. Okay, so that is small a comma b belongs to F for all A belongs to A, B belongs to B. Okay, so here f of A is equal to B. F of A is equal to B. Okay, so that means F is image with a mapping of B. Okay, so here it is A, it is B. Okay, it is A set, it is B set. A is F is a function, F is a mapping from A to B. Okay, so here F of A is equal to B. That means A is F image of B. Okay, or B is free image of A. So that is B is equal F inverse. Reverse number. F inverse A. B is equal F inverse A. Okay, no? Okay. If A and B are two non-empty sets, F is a function from A to B. The F image elements of A are called range of the function. Okay, now, so which elements are mapping with A elements? The set of A elements, okay, is called what? Range. The range is subset of codomain. Subset of codomain. Okay, now, so here let A comma B are two non-empty sets. If F is from A to B is a function, the F image elements of A, elements of set A is called range of the function. Range of the function. Range of the function. Okay, so the range is subset of codomain. The range of the function is subset of codomain. Okay, that means equal and subset. Okay, no? So that is A comma B is belongs to F. A comma B is belongs to F. For all A belongs to capital A, small b is belongs to capital B. So range of f of A is equal. F of A is equal. Okay. So A belongs to A. Substitute f of A is equal to B. For all B is belongs to capital B. Okay, so it is subset of the set elements of B. It is a subset of the set of elements of B. Okay, so this is called what ma? Range of the function. Okay, so for example ma, for example, f from R to R is a function. F from R to R is a function. F of x is equal x square. F of x is equal x square. So here A is equal minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3. B is equal 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. Then range of function, range of f of A is equal to B. How it is equal to B? F of A is equal to B. How? Because f is a function from R to R. Okay, that R to R. Okay, f of x is equal to x square. In the place of x, we can put minus 3. We can get as minus 3 whole square. How much? 9. Minus 2, 4. 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. So which elements are mapping 1, 4, 9? The set of elements of A is mapping with the set of elements of B. So the range of function is nothing but how much ma? 1, 4, 9. Okay ma?